Algebra 2, this is Chapter 4, Section 2. This is the 5th video in this series. We are going to do multiple operations on our matrices. So in this case, we're going to take 4 times matrix A minus 3 times matrix B and figure out what that answer is. So the very first step is to take 4 times matrix A and come out with our resultant matrix. So 4 times matrix A, that's 4 times every element inside that matrix. So that's going to be a 28 here. 4 times 4 is negative 16. 4 times 3 gives me the 12. And 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. And then the second part over here, we're going to take a negative 3 or positive 3, however you want to take it at this point. I think I will take it as a positive 3 and then subtract rather than taking it as a negative 3 and adding. Just seems to be a little bit cleaner here, so I'm going to be minusing. And then 3 times this matrix, 3 times 9 is 27. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 3 is 9. And 3 times the 10 gives me the 30. Then the last part I need to do is do my subtraction here. So I'm going to subtract the two matrices. So I got my first element, 28 minus 27 is a 1. 12 minus 18, that would be a negative 6. Negative 16 minus 9, negative 16 minus 9 would be a negative 25. And then negative 4 minus 30, negative 4 minus 30 would be a negative 34. And that would be my resultant matrix from taking 4a minus 3b. And the question is, well, how do I do it on the calculator? Well, let me go through one more example first, and then I'll go back and show you how to do it on a calculator in the next video. Okay, so we're going to take 3 times matrix A minus 2 times matrix B. So we're going to multiply 3 times this first matrix. And so 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times negative 1 is negative 3, and 3 times 0 is 0. And we are going to subtract off 2 times this other matrix. So 2 times negative 2 is negative 4, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 0 is 0, and 2 times 5 is 10. Then we're ready to actually do the subtraction of the matrices and get my final resultant matrix. So I'm going to take 6 minus a negative 4, 6 minus a negative 4, which should be 6 plus 4, so that's a 10. I've got 9 minus 2, so that's going to be 7. Then I'm going to have negative 3 minus 0, which is a negative 3. And then I've got 0 minus 10, and 0 minus 10 is a negative 10. So this would be my resultant matrix. And again, how do we do it on the calculator? I'm going to save that. I'm going to do that in the next video. So another real short video on how to add and subtract matrices on the calculator.